So this is a short how to make your first campaign. You in your ads manager, you're gonna hit this button, create. Gonna choose any of these objective, campaign objectives. We're gonna select sale, hit continue. You're gonna choose from advantage or manual. I like more manual because you can choose many setups. Here you have setups. Here you can put your name. Conversion, we're gonna leave it like this on the website. Performance goal. You choose your goal here. If it's a sale campaign, you want to maximize your number of conversion, yes. This is your pixel, you choose your pixel from here. Here you can set up it's an optional, but it's good because you can put a price for a conversion. So if you sell one product, you can select here 1, 2, 3, 10 euro, how much you want for your conversion. This is the daily budget. Okay. Can edit the placements from here. Okay, you can hit next. After this, give a name to this ad. Select your page. This is the place you can manual or advantage plus leave you manual or advantage. It means that you leave your Facebook account to select the product from your catalog. Single image, setup creative. Here you're gonna hit add image or video and you're gonna choose whatever product you want to sell. Okay, here you put your final destination for this ad, final destination link for this ad. I put my site here, toys.com. Okay, yes, I don't have my card put inside and I have some money to pay, and that's it. You click publish and your ad will start.